The Healdsburg House, a recent masterpiece by Feldman Architecture, is a harmonious blend of indoor and outdoor living, designed to capture the breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. Nestled atop a hill overlooking the charming village of Healdsburg, California, this home offers an idyllic retreat for both intimate moments and grand gatherings. The heart of the house is the expansive great room, a soaring space defined by 4 colossal glass panels that seamlessly connect the interior to the exterior. When these panels are retracted, the room transforms into an open-air pavilion, inviting the beauty of the outdoors in. To the north, the concrete floor flows seamlessly into a poolside patio, perfect for cooling off on warm days. To the south, a terrace with a cozy fire pit offers a warm and inviting space for stargazing and social gatherings. As the home extends northward from the great room, it transitions from communal spaces to private retreats. The second wing houses a media room, a garage, and the master bedroom, each offering varying degrees of privacy. A separate guest house, nestled down the hill, provides an additional layer of seclusion for guests or family members. Beyond its architectural brilliance, the Healdsburg House is a testament to sustainable living. The architects have carefully considered the land and its resources, implementing eco-friendly practices such as woodland revitalization, removal of invasive plants, and rainwater harvesting. This commitment to environmental stewardship ensures that this stunning home will continue to be a peaceful and inspiring retreat for generations to come.